Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Sav. If you're returning, thank you so much. Welcome to today's video. So this is the part 2 of my mini room transformation kind of vloggy style video. You would have seen kind of what I would have called like the basics, the foundations of it happening in my previous video, and this is more kind of like the finishing touches and like the decorative elements as to what I've put in here. So some of it again you would have seen and I did mention in the other video, but you're kind of going to see it come together much more in this one. So yeah, and we've also got like a mini kind of shop with me and B&M in terms of like home furniture and stuff and what they've got in. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, but that's it, so let's get into it.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks, and I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end.
So this is the one I actually got, but I got mine, this is the one I picked. I think it's 25 for a king, 20 for a double. We've got some really nice sets in here. That feels lovely. These were the pillows that I were going to go for. These were, I think, yeah, £10 each. But I didn't go for them in the end because I thought, oh, those, because I quite liked those. And they are £12 each. I think it was those I was going to go for initially, actually, between those two. But then I actually found the ones that you would have seen in my what I got for my birthday, which were these ones. And they've only got one in, so I'm glad I come back and got them. And these were £10 and I got 3 of them. As you will see later on, I've got 2 on the bed and then 1 on the chair. But those are actually really nice as well. How much are they? £10. Yeah, they got some really nice stuff in here. And I also got my rug. Well, Mum got me my rug from here, which is this one. I don't know if it's that size, but that one is £45, but it just matches. And they got smaller versions as well. So, but they've literally got loads. They've also got white ones. Oh, and this one's nice. How much is that? £40, so less than the one that I actually ended up getting. But yeah, love, and it goes really well with the theme of our room. These are really nice. So I did debate getting these for our bedside table, but I'm a bit, they're candle holders and we've got candles on the side of our bed, but I'm a little bit sceptical and I'm a bit scared that they might just burn. So didn't end up going for them, but I do think they are lovely. Maybe just for show and not actually put live candles in them. Well, you put candles in them, but just not light them. But yeah, bargain. They've also got these on offer. And then for lampshades, we were looking at things like this, but they're just too big for the bedside tables that I got. Or there is stuff like this. Again, we thought they were really nice, so they're actually £12 now, which I think again is an absolute bargain. These are even £7, so this is a lampshade. So they just put everything, or seem to have put everything in the sales. I don't know if like the theme that we've gone for is kind of like been outdated now or what, but yeah, they seem to be everything that we kind of wanted in the style that we wanted has gone into the sale. But again, these were the other ones that we considered for lamps, but they're just too big for the little tables that we've got. But equally, all really nice. So again, in the sale. And then we also debated these, but again, I just think they're too big, they're too long. If they were a bit shorter, would have 100% gone for them. But we didn't in the end, and we've stuck with the candles and the, what else to be put on there, like the diffusers. But they have got some really nice stuff in here, so if you are looking for this, and it's a lot of it is on sale, so can't complain when you're getting cheap bargains from B&M. As always, love. I've also ordered some photo prints for me and Billy. I'm just looking at the frames here. I really like that one, but obviously I want them in black, so they have got these. But is that A3? I don't know if I'm being dim. That says A3 on it there, but I can't seem to see any black ones that definitely say A3, so maybe we'll have to wait and come back. I do also need a frame for my certificate that Nan keeps pestering me to get up on the wall for my degree, which has been sat in the envelope since I got it because I just, don't know, haven't really wanted to get it out. No, I don't think so. I wasn't sure if you had any stained ones. I was also looking for baskets. Now I did end up actually getting them from Home Bargains, so again you will see these later on in the video. But these are quite nice as well, but they just weren't big enough for the stuff that I wanted to get in them. Apparently they were also hanging. Oh yeah, they hang. They're a hanging basket. I mean, that's not bad for £5 or even £2.50 now, but yeah, like I said, they just weren't big enough for what I wanted them for. But if you're looking at baskets, then they've got loads in B&M and also in Home Bargains. I almost did get them actually, and if you look, they've even got the style of, but Billy will complain the fact that it doesn't keep the light out, so we ended up picking up these, which I think are absolutely lovely. So it was £25 for one, and we ended up with 2, but I just think they're gorgeous. And I like that they're long, so you'll see them up as well. Now I debated these for side tables as well. But yeah, those are the ones we debated, but when I come to look at them, I actually picked it up, but they only had one, and it wasn't in here, and I thought I didn't want to not get a matching one. £18 each. No, it's not bad, but it was more than I wanted to pay when they were a tenner.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't
We also debated those, but I think they're just going to be too, they were just going to be too chunky. I wanted it to look quite dainty and not fill what I think is a small space with really large chunky furniture, because it just closed the room off. So I think what we've got right now is quite nice, to be fair.
honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom? Come back and save me from all my slip-ups and mistakes. And I'm just pointless without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to, never wanted to end things like we did. I'm sorry for all those promises
I steal. Okay, so as you come through the door, obviously we've now got our lovely brown wall that you would have seen me and Billy paint in the part 1 of this kind of little vlog that I'm doing. And you kind of see straight away our bed, which is just much nicer. I don't know why, but it really opens up the space. But going through and probably starting with the side units, so I've got one there and I've got one there. The candles and the diffusers on top are from Asda. My lovely Nana bought them. Apart from the candle over there, that's actually from Primark, and I'll show you the scent in a minute because it's just amazing. The units are from B&M, so they were £18 each, which I think is a little bit spenny, but I mean, I'm glad we went for them. Oh, Vader's just interrupting, because I think they suit the space quite nicely. Don't take up too much room, but you kind of get quite a bit of use out of them because they're 3 tiers. And some of the other ones that I showed you from B&M, I don't know, I don't think they were as probably useful and took up much more space. So I just think I am glad we went with these. So that's that. Now Moose's turn to interrupt. Billy's plant on the middle shelf is actually from Primark. He picked it out himself because, hello Moose, because he likes plants, and so he can choose what to have on there. And then the bottom one, this basket, is actually from Primark, and it did come with another 2 little ones, which I will show you, which are these ones, and it was £7 for like this set of 3, but I actually really like it and didn't realise it had them, otherwise I would have got a matching one my side. But just in there is like some bits that he grabs quite frequently when he's either in bed working, or as you see his books there, so that's that one. The bed and stuff you would have seen again in part 1 of the vlog. So my bedding again, which I showed you in our little B&M kind of vlog. The pillows were all from B&M. The pillows are £10 each, and the bedding was £25, but that's because I have a king size duvet. But I actually really like the way it sits on a double, because it's just super comfy and cozy, and you've got loads of duvets, so me and Billy don't need to fight over it all the time. Then this little basket I actually got from B&M as well, and this candle holder I also got from, where did I get this from? This was from B&M. It was like £2.50. Are you gonna focus? Yeah, in that case, I think this was B&M. But again, I just love the kind of rattan or kind of the rope around it, and it was quite useful because I got quite a lot of like freestanding candles from Billy for Christmas, so I needed something to put them in. And then this bedspread kind of throw was actually from the range. It was a little bit spenny. It was £40, which is probably more than I wanted to pay for a throw, but it is like a faux rabbit fur, which feels really, really soft. And to be fair, I didn't see another one that I really liked and wanted to get it all, put it all together. The curtains, again, you would have seen from B&M. I'm so pleased with how these turned out and just absolutely love them. I love that they're floor length as well. And then we come over to my unit. Again, I've got the diffuser and the candle. This was the one from Primark, and it smells insane. And it's coral cloud, so if you have one, go and find this candle because it's amazing. Middle shelf, I just have my laptop, and I would usually have my iPad and my diary on there, but that's just on the bed at the moment. And then the bottom shelf is the basket that I was talking about. And again, I've got things that I grab regularly if I'm working from the bed. And then I've got a water bottle just here. This basket was from, I think it was either Home Bargains or B&M, I can't quite remember. And then I have got like an extension lead there, but I need to plug it in and just swap these plugs around, so haven't done that yet. But that is the kind of, what I would say is my little kind of corner. This rug was bought by my parents as well, and this was from B&M, kind of just matches the whole colour scheme. Then we come on to Billy's little corner. So Billy's got his bookcase that he wanted with all of his books on. Ignore the box that's there, it's just our TV bracket that we need to put up on the wall, and his stereo. I've got a couple of spare baskets at the bottom that I need to do something with. And then he's got his desk area, which obviously has his iMac on, so that's his little kind of space. The fan will be going, as will this box. This is another bracket. Again, the TV's not on the wall yet because I've got to go and get some decent wall plugs to put it up here. I'm going to have like a bracket that can kind of come out so that we can actually see it from the bed space, because obviously from there you're not going to be able to watch TV in bed. So I've got a turning, kind of spinning 360 TV bracket, which, yeah, is going to be good fun. Obviously that will then go up on the wall, but I've just put it on this stool for now so that we can still watch TV from the bed. Up here we have Billy's championship for his boxing that he did a few years back, runner-up, but he did actually basically win it but was robbed, but that's another story. Then we moved our wardrobes over here. You've all seen these before because they are literally like donkey's years old. Then I got this chair, which is my absolute love of my life at the moment, and another B&M pillow because it's just beautiful. This was actually from Dunelm and it was in the sale, so I don't know if you might be able to get it. If anyone's interested, you might be able to still get them, but it was like £74.50, reduced from like £160 I think it was. So yeah, obsessed. And this again is my little corner of heaven. This mirror is to die for. I was going to debate getting two of them and actually putting them up here, and also this might look a little bit better, but I have got 3 A3 prints on the way of me and Billy that I'm going to put up on the wall in nice frames because I think that will be cute. But yeah, oh focus, in the end we just went with the one of the little corner because these were actually too big to go up there. So yeah, this is the little corner that I kind of like to sit and work in or take photos, because it's like, obviously when the TV is up it will be much better, but yeah, this will be like my new little filming spot I think, because it's just so cute and aesthetic. But that's the room. So it's kind of almost finished, and like I said, that looks a little bit bare to me at the moment, but obviously that will have prints up. I was also debating getting light lamps, but I just can't find some that are the right size to go on the side units that aren't too big and make it look too bulky. And I didn't want to fill the room with massive furniture because I think it will just take away from the space again. But I'm much happier with how it all is now. We don't have like an overly bulky desk. To be fair, Billy works from the laptop quite a bit, so we're not actually sure if we're going to get rid of our iMac, but I don't know, I don't think we will, because it's just good to have in case we do want to sit and have a bigger screen. But the laptop is also convenient because you can take it anywhere, sit in bed and do it. So yeah, it's kind of just good all round. But yeah, this is my little heaven and I'm just so pleased with the way it's turned out. And like I said, there are still some finishing touches, but I really wanted to get this video out so you can see some of the amazing bits, and hopefully, like you would have seen from the B&M kind of mini shop earlier in this video, a lot of their stuff is on sale if you like this whole kind of wicker like wood effect. So yeah, definitely go and take a look, and that's it really. So so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to talk to you in this camera, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.